Hello and welcome to the tutorial video for how to install Band-in-a-Box 2020 on macOS Catalina using downloaded files. We'll start off by opening up a browser of your choice. I'm using Safari for this demonstration. And the first thing you will want to do is log into your account. If you have not registered an account yet, such as if you have purchased from a third-party reseller, you will need to register an account first. Now, once you are here, you will want to go to the My Products page, and at the top, you will see your registered serial numbers. If you're coming here from a third-party reseller, you'll need to enter your serial number into this box, then click Add to My Account. Once your serial number is registered, scroll down the page and you will find your download files. If you're using Band-in-a-Box Pro, you will have roughly 6 files to download. If you're using a Mega Pack, you will have roughly 9, and if you're using an Ultra Pack, you will have 16 of them. For this example, I'm going to use Band-in-a-Box Pro because it will download faster. Click on the download button, and you'll see it's added itself to the downloads here. If you're using a different browser, it will look a little bit different. Chrome will add the downloads to this bottom bar here, and Firefox will ask you to save, at which point it will put it into this menu here. Once you've finished downloading your files, you will need to open your Downloads folder. Go to the Finder and open your Downloads folder from there. Now we need to start off with the first file here, that's Band-in-a-Box 2020. It may be Pro, it may be Mega, or it may be Full, depending on which version you have. So we will want to continue through here, at this point agreeing to the software license. And at this point you can simply click on Install. In some cases you may need to change your install location. For example, if you're installing onto a different hard drive. You can see here I have 2 choices, but in this case I just want to install on the default hard drive here. So when you're ready, just click on Install. This will now ask for your computer's password. Please enter it here. And when it's finished installing, click Close. You can either choose to keep the installer or move it to the trash. This is your choice. Now let's continue with the next file. We need to open the BB 2020 Audio MIDI plugins file. And you'll see it's put this icon up on my desktop. Double click on the installer in here, and like before, continue through the process. Enter your password in. If it asks you to allow access to Control Finder, please click OK. And once you're here, click Close again. Now we can remove this one from our desktop by right-clicking on it and clicking on Eject. And continue on with the 4 RealTracks files. Again, it's come up on my desktop, and I need to run this installer. Once again, we can close this and eject this. Next file. Now we are finished installing Band-in-a-Box Pro. If you have a Mega Pack, you'll still have a few files left to download, the RealTracks Mega, and if you have the Ultra Pack, you'll have more files again to install. But at this point you can just continue on with every subsequent file until they're all finished. Now we can open Band-in-a-Box. We'll find it in Applications under Band-in-a-Box, and it will run the Band-in-a-Box app here. As a first run, it will ask you to rebuild the style list. You'll click Yes. Now the last thing we need to do is activate Band-in-a-Box. So you see where it's telling us that we are not yet activated. We can click on this message to bring up the activation window, or if you miss it, you can go to Help and click on Enter Serial Number to activate Band-in-a-Box. When you get to this point, if you have an internet connection, you can do an online activation, at which point you enter in your serial number. I've copied and pasted it from my account page, and you click on Activate Now. And now we are ready to use Band-in-a-Box. If you do not have an internet connection on this computer, you will have to activate offline. As before, enter your serial number into this box, and you will need to contact us with the serial number and request number so that we can give you an activation code. You can reach us on our website, pgmusic.com, using live chat, or you can phone us. Once you have activated, you are ready to use Band-in-a-Box. Congratulations, and thank you for watching this tutorial.